What if I told you you can create high-quality, engaging Instagram Reels using AI from scratch? And the best part is you don't have to do any video editing. To do so, let's go to invideo.io, where you can paste your script, whether written by you or generated by AI tools such as ChatGPT, and the site will automatically assemble clips and photos to create video for you from scratch. So, let's go to invideo.io and choose AI text to video. We will choose a template, like this one for example. And we will choose portrait, so we can create a reel. That's the format for Instagram Reels. And click on Use Template. It will load the editing screen where you can paste your script. And the crazy part here is that if you don't have a script ready, you can generate one from within invideo.io. So I will do so right now. I will click on Ask AI to write your script. I will tell it to write me a script about healthy foods. Me a script about the top 5 healthiest foods full of vitamins, and click on Generate. And just like that, we have a script ready for us. We can go ahead and create a scene based on that script. So we will go and click Create Scene. Now, all you have to do is just relax and watch the magic happens, as this tool creates the video for you based on your script. And it's finally done. As you can see, it generated a video with text, audio, music, background footage, and everything. You can go ahead to every segment and edit it, like edit the text if you want, or edit the background and edit the video, or even add voiceover and export your footage and then upload it to Instagram.